Hello guys, here is I have 12 Pro Max and this phone problem is ear speaker doesn't work. If I call someone, I don't hear nothing. Only loudspeaker work. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this ear speaker. You can see volume is all the way up.
Turns. You also may be selected for a survey at the end of this call. To refill your service, say 1.
You see loudspeaker working, but ear speaker I don't hear nothing. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this speaker and keep watching and stay with me. Remove this two back screw. Now we have to lifting up this screen and it's very hard to do that. We have to be very careful with that, and if we break it it's cost money to fix it, so you have to be careful and slowly you're gonna remove it. Then I will just push it down and keep doing like that. Put some alcohol on there. And with this open tool, so we just lifting up a little bit, and we want to push up too hard with the knife, just slowly. If it's come out slowly, you can see easily lifting up, then push up. And look like you have to remove this tempered glass. It's make problem. Now easy to grab. Yeah, it's lifting up a little bit. Now we're gonna add some more alcohol. When you lift it up a little bit, then it'll be easier to remove it. With the finger, we just push up a little bit and then add some alcohol and use the knife. And this side, we're gonna push it down with the finger, two finger. Just slide it down a little bit, and then it's come out easily. Yeah, we just lifting up the screen. Now we're gonna check, make sure the screen is working properly. We don't damage the screen. Yeah, it's working all the side. Yes, it's working. Now we're gonna check other side. Yeah, it's working properly, so we didn't damage the screen. Now we're gonna replace the screen. Turn off the phone and remove the screen first, and battery connection we're gonna remove it. Now you're gonna remove this 4 screw. 2 is star and 2 is the Y screw. Removed. And here is the speaker. And there is 2 connection. We have to remove it. First we're gonna lift it up with this tweezer. This, then we're gonna with this soldering iron we're gonna remove this 2 connection. So we remove this speaker now, and here is the old speaker, and now we're gonna put it back new speaker. Here is the new speaker. Is done here. I'm gonna clean up a little bit. Now I'm gonna put it back for a screw. Now you're gonna install the screen. First screen connection, then speaker connection. Now you're gonna put it back this plate and put it back all the screw. And there is another plate, you have to put it back, and there is 4 screw, you have to put it back. We are done. Now I'm gonna insert the screen. And now I'm gonna back bottom 2 screw. Now I'm gonna check the speaker. So you can hear now.
For a survey at the end of this call. To refill your service, say 1.
And loudspeaker also working. And now working air speaker. So both the speaker is working now. Job is done. And that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it. Here is the old speaker. And thank you for watching.